How to fix Valorant black screen problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first, just type here device manager, click on it, and now once you're here, go to display adapters, right click on your GPU and then click update driver. Now just click search automatically for drivers and make sure to update your driver, and now type here background apps and click on it. And after that, once you're here, all you need to do, just enable the first option if you want to, disable it if you want to turn off all those applications here. Turn off the first option, and now close it and restart your PC and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.